I'm based in Thane. Over a period of time, what happened is I had developed thyroid as an issue, but
Mm-hmm.
over a period of time, I didn't bother about it because it was not really affecting me in anything. Over a period of time, it became a much more a larger issue. My thyroid levels were very high. I was actually at 50, 48 or 50
Wow.
TSH. Along with this, I used to always have a jaundice issue. So this has been like from the time I must have been around 14, 15. I used to frequently get jaundice. So anything happens within, if there is any imbalance, then I would end up with fever and it would be jaundice like symptoms and jaundice. So, typical you do the home remedies or you take Live 52, which was a
Right.
standard thing that I had to take Live 52 like for 2, 3 years to really get it. But it did not address my other problem, that was liver, fatty liver. So I went to my regular gynac. She prescribed Tyronorm, and Tyronorm started giving me other issues. I had a lot of side effects with it. And so she told me first take 25 mg, then take
Mm-hmm.
50 mg, then take
Mm-hmm.
75 mg. And the mg never reduced. Neither did my thyroid levels ever come down. Okay, so I have not seen a thyroid level below 10 in like the last 20 years. 2011 to 2014, 2015, I faithfully took my Tyronorm medication. Okay, no difference, no effect. Then finally I said, this is not the way to go. I dumped all flushed it all down the drain, really speaking. I just got rid
Wow.
of all the Tyronorm that I had, because I used to, have at least two bottles, one 100 mg, one 75 mg, and I'm supposed to take one every day. And then afterwards, I uh, I really was looking for somebody who can help me, because I didn't trust the medical profession. Or to be honest, I don't trust them at all, because they do not really help you to get well unless they will give you medicines, but does it address the core issue? Then I don't believe that. And that is where I started looking for somebody to help me to resolve, or help me to address what I need to address to get my health in order. And that is how I came across iThrive. I actually found iThrive during a search for
Oh.
what options do I have to get my health in order. So Google search actually helped me find iThrive, and there was a tagline which says, "We can help you reverse, conditions." So that is what actually got my attention, and then I reached out to iThrive to help me with my overall health. I worked with Prerna initially. I did blood tests like nearly every 2 months. I was doing. So the biggest shock was that the problem was not only thyroid, and
Mm-hmm.
thyroid was not the one that was causing all the problems, but there was something underlying, and which has probably been with me for, like I said, since I was 15. So last 30 plus years. And now Prerna tells me, no, Leah, there's something wrong with you which is far beyond this, because it
Correct.
is showing up. And then she told me, you need to do these Epson EBV checks, Epson Barr
Right.
virus checks. And when we did that, most of them came positive. I
Wow.
had to change a lot in my diet.
Right.
I had to change my thinking also, that I can eat only 2 pieces of this. I cannot eat more than that. My first goal was weight loss.
Mm-hmm.
I lost. I was 85.6 or 86 kilos, nearly 86 kilos. When I was with I Thrive, my weight came down right down to 72 kilos. The second one is getting my cholesterol levels within
Mm.
range, and they have been within range for a long time now.
That's really
I
great.
think so. I had to do 2, 3 month periods to I
Right.
Thrive
Yeah.
levels, and then I did a maintenance period. So nearly a year, little more than a year with I Thrive. But yes, but my HDL levels were down, came down. My thyroid levels, the antibodies are now measurable, and they were down to 300 from 1000 plus. So that is very motivating actually. So I know I need to keep doing what I was doing, because that is the right thing to do. uh, and EBV went into negative. So it is like Yes, so it is exhilarating to see, and I've done even one more round of the detox. The detox is another thing that is very important. I used to constantly have sinus. That has reduced. I would be susceptible, but it is more like an allergic reaction that I
So
have.
it's quick and it just
It
goes off.
comes and it goes, and
Ah.
but if it becomes bad, then it is really bad. Then it'll go on for 2 3 weeks, but at least I'm able to control it. Earlier it used to be just accepted as a part of everyday life. Now I know that I don't need to do that. I know what I need to take to bring it in control, and then the immune support, that is something that helps as well.
So what advice would you give someone who is considering joining iThrive? Like they're on the fence and they don't know whether they should or not. What advice would you give them?
I would give anybody advice to say a little money spent initially is money well spent. Number one, because typically I find the reaction that people have, oh, it's so expensive. So
Hmm.
when it's your health, then yes, it is expensive, but then your health has a larger expense, and anything untreated today is going to cause you 10x that cost in a few
And if
months.
you had to describe the iThrive experience in one word, what would that be?
In, mhm.
One word.
Fan- Fantabulous.
Ah, that's a lovely word.
You can give yourself 10 stars, because I absolutely root for it.